All right, Poppy. So why are we at Target?
To get two surprises, open up and order. We're gonna do a video.
Well, show us what you got.
I chose these two.
So you got a bird and Peppa.
Peppa with Granny Pig dressing up.
All right. Well, we'll do a video a little bit later.
Yeah, maybe when we get home.
Okay. Bye. Poppy, it feels like you just keep getting gifts.
It was just Christmas, so after Christmas we get these.
This is your after Christmas present?
Yes, because Ethan said to choose like a motorcycle. So
Yeah.
Bobby said I could get these two, and you said I could get this one.
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun unboxing these with you.
Amy, I feel like you might be a little obsessed with toys.
This is a background.
Yeah.
Hi guys. I got these from Target today, and we're gonna. I opened this one all.
What is that one you already opened?
It's Peppa Pig, and guess what? This can run.
Oh, the light comes on. That's cool. So you got a Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig, like Peppa Pig, Granny Pig, and a mirror. And this is the scene I didn't open.
What is this? It's called Little Live Pets?
Yeah, and I named him Snowflake.
Snowflake? What is Snowflake?
Guess what he can do? I love you.
Oh, wow. So it's a bird in a cage.
Yeah, we're gonna unbox it, and this key is like something you can open with.
Okay, so we'll be right back. Okay, so we're back to this little live pets unboxing. And let me say something real quick. It was an absolute nightmare. So you didn't get to actually see the box. It was stripped down. It had it was attached with rubber and plastic. So, okay, Poppy, talk about it.
So this is the bird. They just got out of it. And this was the cage, and he was just like right in here.
Oh, wow. And he talks?
Yeah. And when it's nighttime, you can put him back in, and then you close the cage and you lock it, and then it's nighttime, and it's morning time. You open it and you take it out.
Oh, that's so cool. So pretty much that's a bird.
Yeah.
The only bird that you'll ever get in real life.
And this is like the food that was with it.
Ooh, yummy. Is it like seeds?
Yeah, birds eat seeds.
Ooh, it's lighting up. How pretty.
His wings light up.
How nice. Okay, so Peppa and they're watching. Peppa's watching the birdie, and that's Snowflake.
Yeah, and here's his feet and tail.
Well, very cute. All right, Pop, you want to say goodbye?
Bye, and thank you for enjoying this video.